Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Vudu app on your Apple TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your digital movie library. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store from the main menu. Step 2. Use the search function to look for the Vudu app in the App Store. Step 3. Select the Vudu app from the search results and click Get or Install to download it. Step 4. Once installation is complete, open the Vudu app from your Apple TV home screen. Step 5. You'll see a screen displaying an activation code for linking your device. Step 6. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and visit vudu.com, activate. Step 7. Sign in with your Vudu account credentials or create a free account if needed. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your Apple TV screen into the website field and click Activate. Return to your Apple TV and the app will refresh, giving you access to all your purchased and rented movies and shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.